Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a label or delete labels in Trello. So if you're working with labels on your Trello board or your list and you want to delete them, there's few ways how you can easily find this. One is to easily find that list or that card where you have the label, right click on it and click on edit labels, and you can find the labels that you want and you can simply click on edit, right? And then from here you'll have the option to quickly delete it. Now another way how you can easily find labels is if you click the three dots on the upper right hand side of any board, you'll find the label section. You click on that and here you want to find the label, right? So let's say you want to find labels, you can easily go ahead and edit those labels. As you can see, I have the one implement and I also have complete. Let's say I don't want to use the word implemented anymore, but just use complete. I can click on edit here and you see I have the same thing and I can easily go ahead and click on delete. Once I click on delete, I click on delete to confirm again and you see that I have that delete. And it will delete the label, and also it will also delete it from all the cards that you had that label, let's say, assigned to. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.